my dear friend, welcome to Art of Kids. Welcome to Art of Kids. So I'm introducing today how to play Jenga. So in this Corona time, this is the best indoor game to play, and you can spend your time with it. So I'm telling the rules of it. So first rule is you want to take the block from here or here. You can take the block and then put it in the top. And before that you want to read the instruction first, and then you want to do what the instruction said and put it top. And second rule is if the Jenga fell down, you lose the game. And the third rule is you must only use one hand. Only your right or left you want to only use. So can we start the game? Let's start. So I'm taking the first block. This is the best thing in the world for a man. So, please, I will read it. So scared. If you be anyone in the world, who would be he and why? Can you see the instruction, please? And I'm keeping it in the top. You can see.
My mother, because she gave me a birthday.
Okay, how many games are? More than 40, I think. How many games do you have in your home set? So I'm saying more than 40. And this is one of them. And another block. So we can't take this here because if I take it, it will fall down. So I'm taking this. I'm taking a side one this time. Mind 3 things before sleeping. So I study first, then watch little TV, then eat my dinner and go to sleep.
Next to my turn.
Play now. Go. Telejob. Oh.
How did zebra cross the road?
I don't know.
With the zebra crossing.
Now I'm taking my time and taking because I don't have. I'm taking with patience or something. Okay, I'm taking a little easy, guys. Okay. I took with the left hand. It said man of your house. I think that is me.
You have no father and grandfather?
I have, but I will not say.
Favorite month? When I was born, February. Can you take it?
Now the balance is only with one. Look, can you see?
What can I do?
Favorite movie? I say it. My favorite movie.
Why? I am so scared.
Only one balance is here. Can Avantika take it very slowly? Avantika, you can do it.
Oh.
Yes, I won the match. Oh yes, I won the match. So, thanks for liking our video. Please like, share, subscribe, and bye-bye for now.